Welcome back to round two of our little experiment in vibe coding and vibe marketing. Last week we dipped our toes in. Today we cranked it up a notch. Because why stop at a cute little proof of concept when we can chain together half a dozen tools, run them through Claude AI, and basically build a miniature outbound engine overnight? Yeah, this one got a little extreme. But you know what? It worked. Here's what we connected: Zapier, Apify, MillionVerifier, Icypeas, and Instantly.ai, all talking to Claude AI through MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Why? Because we wanted to see if we could stitch together a lead verification plus enrichment flow that didn't just work, but worked inside an AI agent that could reason about every step. Here's how it went down. Step 1, pull leads from Google's API with Apify. Step 2, export them in JSON so Claude can read them. Step 3, run the domains through ICPs to find more emails. Step 4, install verify everything with MillionVerifier. Step 5, send the clean list to an Instantly.ai campaign, still finishing the final trigger. For fun, I even had Claude send the finished list to Slack via Zapier, just to prove we could mix in real-time notifications. Now, I get it. This is a little over the top. Most people don't wake up and think, you know what? Let's run a multi-platform AI orchestrated lead pipeline before breakfast. But that's the point. We weren't trying to ship a polished, ready to scale product here. We were testing capabilities. And the verdict, it works. Not flawlessly. I did have to hit continue a few times to keep Claude moving. And no, we're not quite ready to pull thousands of leads in one go, but for a single afternoon test, it's promising, very promising. Because here's the bigger picture. This isn't just connecting tools. This is agents reasoning about workflows, understanding context, deciding what to do next, and then doing it. That's a whole different game from old school integrations. So round two, call it a win. We pushed MCP harder. We got multiple tools to play nice, and we proved that lead enrichment and verification can live entirely inside an AI-driven pipeline. Round three, who knows? Maybe we'll go full tilt and try global scale outbound in one shot, or maybe we'll just keep making these flows more bulletproof. Either way, the future of outbound, it's not just automation, it's automation that thinks. And honestly, that's where the real fun starts.